welcome to Pampered Chef Live. So excited to have you guys all here today. I have so many fun things to show and cook with you today. So why don't you put it in the comments, where are you guys watching from? I'm happy to have you here. Someone else I'm really happy to have here with me is Erin. Hey, Erin, I missed you.
Hi, I'm back. I missed you too. It just feels right being together, you know?
does,
Yeah, I missed it. But thank you all for joining us. We're so happy that you're here. And I know that last month that we shared some really exciting new products that you all were really loving learning about. And the great thing is tonight we're doing the same thing. We have even more exciting new products that you're going to want to get your hands on, including this gorgeous Freezy Fun machine that you're going to want to hear all about. It is exclusive to host this month, but you're going to want to hear all about these details and get a party booked maybe to get your own, right?
Great idea.
Why not, I guess. All right, so then let's move on to our giveaways. We have our giveaways as always for tonight's episode. So if you haven't dug into that just yet, head over to our website, go to the live events page, and fill out our survey, and you are all set for tonight's giveaway. So I think that's all we have covered if we're ready to get into it.
Let's get cooking. Let's
do
get
it.
chilling. I don't know what to call this. But I'd love for you to put in the comments if you guys have this machine and what do you think about it so far. This machine can do so much. So it's a soft serve and slushing machine, but can do so much. I like to say it's got a lot of different moods, but it'll fit all your moods actually. So soft serve, slushy, spiked slush for anything you want to add alcohol to, like a margarita, daiquiri, frappe, milkshake, frozen juice, chilled drink, and a wash setting. How cool is that? Similar to our deluxe cooking blender, it's got a wash setting. So you're going to add water and some soap, hit that setting. It's going to clean. Also, the tank and the auger are dishwasher safe too. So before I get into those parts, let me just talk about how it works. So it's got a cooling barrel, as you can see in there. And then this auger is what churns the mixture. You want to make sure to mix your mixtures really, really well. And it comes with the cooking guide with all different recipes. In addition, there's recipes online too. We're going to be making one of my favorites in a second too. So I said it cleans. You want to mix your mixture really, really well before it goes in. It comes with a soft serve tip to make that perfect swirl for soft serve. That's amazing too. You'll see there are fill lines on the tank. So there's a min and a max. Now for soft serve, that's going to be your min and your max. Okay. For soft serve, you always want your mixture to come here. For any other settings, you can go to the min or the max. And again, what's so cool is that it just, once it's over and you hit cancel, it switches to that wash setting. So that's really amazing. So let's just show you, okay? We're gonna start with the high protein cheesecake soft serve recipe. This is one of my favorites. Even if you're not a cottage cheese fan, I know for a fact that you're gonna like this because there are folks who've tried this who don't love cottage cheese and they're like, wow, this is actually really good. It adds a little tang and just a little bit boost of protein to help you out. Now this recipe is going to start in the blender. Any blender will do. Of course, our deluxe cooking blender is the very best, but most other recipes, you just mix your mixture in a bowl and pour it in. For this one, for any recipe in there, you want the mixture to be homogeneous and smooth. So no chunks. Really easy as that. So it starts with 1.5 cups of full fat cottage cheese. That's going to work the best in the machine. We've got 1.25 cups of milk. This is whole milk. And then 1/2 cup sugar. We're going to set this on custom speed 2 for at least 30 seconds or until totally smooth. Okay, real life, I forgot the vanilla. So we're just going to add our vanilla.
Measure with love.
Measure with love. Perfect. Can't be cheesecake without a little bit of vanilla. Okay, so this is really nice and smooth. It should basically look like milk or cream. That's what the mixture looks like. Easy. And then we're gonna make sure this guy is on. And you want to turn it to the setting first. So you want the auger in the barrel to be rotating and moving before you pour in your mixture. Oh, it's already on the soft serve setting. I'm going to press start. Just slowly pour it in. Okay, we're just gonna let that go. Okay, now we've got one machine going with our grown-up, adult-friendly, higher protein cheesecake soft serve. Now we're gonna make a cherry cola slushie. So with the slushie setting, you can make 2, 4, or 8 servings. So I'm gonna make 4 servings right now just to switch it up again. And I've got 3.5 cups of cola. And then I've got a 1/2 cup of cherry juice. Now, could you use cherry cola? You could, but I think this tastes so much better. It's just cherry juice from maraschino cherries, and then we can garnish at the end with those yummy cherries. Now, if there was actual sugar in here that I was mixing, you'd want to mix for about 2 to 3 minutes to make sure your sugar is super dissolved. This I'm just going to give a good mix. You can see the color kind of coming together, and I'm going to be okay.
Sandy, I have a quick question for you since you mentioned the sugar.
Yeah.
Can you use sugar-free mixtures in drinks like this, or?
So actually the Freezy Fun requires 8 grams of sugar per 8 ounces. And why that is sugar actually lowers the freezing point of a liquid.
Oh.
So that's what turns it into that slush. If not, it's just gonna freeze solid. One sugar substitute we've had some success with is allulose. But you always wanna look at the packaging because it might not be a 1-to-1 ratio with sugar, but no diet, like you wouldn't want to use diet soda or like a Crystal Light or something like that. It wouldn't slush.
Got it.
Okay. So we're already on the soft serve setting. No, we don't need soft serve. We want slushy. Already on the slushy setting. Gonna hit start, get everything moving. One thing I forgot to mention in the cooking guide is we have a whole section of 1 ingredient wins, we call it. And really, there's a 1 ingredient win for every single setting on here. So it's so cool. I would really recommend someone get started with this when they first get it. I love lemonade on the slushy setting. It's so, like, I just feel like it's summer vacation already.
So you make me feel like summer's
Yeah,
here.
even though it's like cold here in Chicago. Something else that's delicious, you can just put chocolate milk in there on the milkshake setting. Fruit juice is great, iced tea, and even like a sports drink like a Gatorade. Again, make sure to check that those grams of sugar per 8 ounces too. And then we have 2 ingredient twists too. Yeah,
The kids are going to love this during spring break.
Oh my God, yeah, exactly. There's so many options. So Erin, one of my favorite parts about the soft serve are the toppings. I have so much fun with them. Do you want to come help me prep?
Yes, I was hoping you would ask.
And we've got some already in our Stay Chill Snackle box, which is so fun. Again, this comes with 6 different inserts, removable clear inserts.
Love it.
So I put a bunch of different toppings. Also, it has the 2 cooling pucks on the bottom that when you store them in your freezer, take them out, put them in here. They help keep your food chill for 4 to 6 hours. How fun would this just be, like, as a on-the-go
And I mean,
Sunday
up to
bar.
6 hours, like you're set.
You're good to go.
Right.
You can put so many different things in here. We're going to chop up our graham crackers, but we're going to start with our strawberries.
All right.
I've got like a new little hack on how I like to slice the strawberries a little thinner.
Okay.
For a topping. So I slice it like this, release it, and then like lay it out, maybe stack like 2 at a time, and then rotate the blades so you get little strips.
Oh, smart.
So it's like a little more fun to eat than these big, I mean, the big pieces are great too.
I would always
give it
just
a go.
Yeah, exactly. That's perfect.
Yep.
All right, let me try it.
Your turn.
Okay, so
You can even go again and make little dices.
So one sort of this way.
Yeah, and then you want to release it with that base.
Yeah. Dump it out.
Give it a rotate.
Okay. And then just sort of like this way.
Yep.
Awesome. That's easy. Oh, that's so much better. This size is perfect.
Yeah, I love this size.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you keep going on those?
Okay.
And then I have some graham crackers. I love chopped up graham crackers.
Oh yeah, who doesn't?
On this cheesecake soft serve in particular. We also have some of these little Biscoff cookies that are delicious. You can really have fun with it. This is gonna go into my twist and chop. Probably only take like, maybe we should count. I bet this is gonna take like
Let's do it.
3.5 seconds or something like that.
I'll count.
We love the twist and chop because the blades don't just go around in a circle, but they go up and down, around in a circle, so you're not missing anything. Just want to make sure you don't pass that max line up at the top, but I think I'm good to go with this. We've got the pulse and then just a start button. I think I'm just going to go start.
Okay.
And we can count in our mind. Ready? That was about 6 seconds.
I would say I got to 5, maybe.
What do we think? What do we think? That looks pretty amazing. I'm going to take these out and add these to it. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? Those look so powdery. Do one more batch. You guys should put in the comments, what else would you put in your toppings bar? I have whipped cream. Ooh. I love blueberry pie filling.
Ooh,
with
that
the
sounds
soft
really
serve
good.
too. Some
Wouldn't
sprinkles.
have thought of that. I'm a big chocolate girl. I just love any
I should have
type
put some chocolate chips.
Yeah, I like dark chocolate personally, but I mean, you can't go wrong with any kind of chocolate in my opinion. Yes.
Simple. Okay, ready? It doesn't get old.
No, it really doesn't. And neither does this cup slicer, if I'm being completely honest. I'm having a lot of fun over here with this one.
So there's a few other new products in April that pair really well with the Freezy Fun machine. The Freezy Fun pineapple mix. Oh, this is so good. All you do is add water and it really will remind you of a certain favorite amusement park tropical dessert that's super fun and trendy. It's creamy, it's tropical, it's absolutely delicious. Look at this. Really, really yummy. Maybe with some coconut on top. Oh my gosh. So tropical. We also have our cake batter flavoring. Really great to put just in the regular soft serve recipe. You could put it into frostings, into glazes. Really delicious. And here we have our ice cream scooping cone set. We get a set of 2 clear and 2 blue cones. These are great for dispensing your soft serve right into the cones. They have a really nice ergonomic handle and a flat base. They were really designed for little kids' hands, so they hold on. A lot less mess than typical cones. Just throw these into the dishwasher, but they also help scoop up your ice cream too. So this is actually soft serve from the machine, and I mixed in a packet of instant pudding before churning and freezing the mixture. That's gonna help it freeze up. So I'm just gonna take my cone. It's not perfect.
I mean, that looks pretty good to me.
That tastes great. So that's all that matters. I love how it sits neatly on there. I might redeem myself, but while I do that, are there any offers that everybody should know about this month?
Of course, we always have great offers, and this month is no exception. So, hosts can choose any product or set for 60% off, including the very exciting and brand new Freezy Fun. And remember, the only way to get the Freezy Fun is by hosting a party this month. Also, we have a sale on some of our best sellers. So these are products that are perfect for refreshing your kitchen for the new season. So go ahead and check that out. See what's on sale this month on our website, or as always, reach out to your consultant and they'll tell you all about it. And last but not least, we have the best product to offer, the side hustle. You know, I always say that every single time. It is the best product that we have. And we have a great deal to get you started this month. The Meal Mix Launch Kit is available for just $25 in the US and $35 in Canada. And this kit comes with 10 meal mixes that are easy to make, plus really easy to demo and share right away as you get your business up and running. Plus, when you become a consultant this month, you can earn your own Freezy Fun for free. And you heard me right there. That is for free. You can earn it. Get it off the bat. You want this. Do not miss out this month.
Okay, look, I definitely redeemed myself with the ice cream cones. How good does that look? Beautiful. Okay, and our cherry cola is ready. One thing is when the machine says end, you want to keep it running. Don't hit cancel. You want to keep it running while you dispense. Hoo hoo hoo. How good does that look? Let's get a cherry real quick. get two. If you haven't seen our garnish grabber in action, this is like the best use for
It's the cutest thing
things in
too.
little
I love
jars, pickles, olives, maraschino cherries. Works great on a charcuterie board if you don't want everybody touching. Okay, our cheesecake soft serve is ready too. Erin, what do you say? Let's have some treats
it.
together.
Sure, let's do it.
All right. I'll dispense for you. Again, you want to keep it running. You need that auger pushing it through in order for it to dispense. Ooh. Erin, how hungry are you?
I'm so starving watching you do this right now.
Love it.
And you know I have a sweet tooth, so perfect.
All right, let me get mine. What are
Love
you
it.
going to go
Thank
for?
you. Oh, so many choices. I don't know. I need some sprinkles for sure. I got to do the strawberries that I cut up, of course. I'll wait for you.
Okay.
And I know I was here watching it, but
Yeah.
I think some of the people at home might be curious how long this one took for us
Yeah. So the soft serve took about 45 minutes. For the other settings, it really depends how much you're making.
Right.
So for this, I made the 4 settings. It didn't take
No, that was
maybe
pretty quick.
20 minutes that went to.
Yeah.
So it depends on the ingredients you're using. It depends on the volume that you're using. The quickest setting is going to be your chilled drink.
What's the chill drink?
Oh, the
setting?
chilled drink setting is so nice. Let's say you have like a bottle of wine and friends coming over and you need to chill it really quickly. Not just for wine, but that's a great use for it. That
That's
could take
exactly how I would use it. That's
right,
perfect.
5 to 15 minutes instead
Nice.
of like throwing it in the freezer and forgetting about it. That's what I always do with my wine.
It's like you're in my head right now.
Exactly. even if you want to use it on iced tea, lemonade, juice from the kids. So that's really easy.
Awesome.
All right. So let's see. What am I going to use? I can't use the garnish grabber.
I
with
know. I was
this.
like, we need the.
Wait a minute, I'm going to put my go-to. So
I'm
is
gonna
that,
do some
and then the grams.
sprinkles.
a couple of rainbows.
Yes.
Cereal.
Oh, I haven't had Lucky Charms in so long. This is perfect.
A little crunch.
Yes, I love it. So colorful.
Got some whipped cream. All the things. Oh, yours looks so pretty and
Right?
colorful.
That's what I'm going for. A little colorful moment. Oh,
Have you had this before?
What'd you say?
Have you had this before?
No.
Okay. Seeing is believing.
Well, thanks for sharing with me, Sandy. I appreciate it.
Did you have any other questions?
I guess I know for me, my first thought was, this looks messy. How do I clean this when I'm
Yes.
done?
So like I mentioned before, when you hit cancel or end, it'll go right to the wash.
Okay.
You want to add in your water, add in a couple drops of soap, but then the tank and the auger are all going to be dishwasher safe too.
Oh, perfect.
So that's really nice. You just put it right in there and get it cleaned up. So really not as messy as you think it would be.
right.
Yeah, pretty easy.
What's your favorite to make that you've tried so far?
This is definitely my favorite. We also have a vegan soft serve.
Oh, nice.
That recipe is online, and an orange sherbet that I really love too. Sherbet's like was always my favorite growing up.
Oh, that
so it was
sounds really
delicious.
good. I love that.
Hopefully this is your favorite.
Yeah, this
now.
is great. Well, thank you for sharing so
course.
much. I got to keep eating this over
And
here.
put in the comments what you guys want to try. Check out our recipes online on pamperedchef.com. Look forward to the survey that you can take to give us feedback on this event. There's events every single week, and we can't wait to see you next time. Thanks, guys.